Hey everybody, things are looking up this week. Let me update you. First, I want to share that I guess I've had to relearn that it is vital not to dwell on the past, on what's already happened. It's important to look ahead and to seek solutions. You may know that during the first days of the year, we lost our home on wheels, our camper, and I was very frustrated, angry, really stressed, even a bit lost in relation to what we would do now. I mean, that camper was everything for us. The mechanic who basically destroyed our camper didn't really cooperate, didn't have much money, but rather than get more angry, fight him for something that he doesn't have, waste my time, waste my energy, spread more negativity, I decided to just get the hell out of that town and to move forward. I went online and searched for a company that could help out. The company that I initially found, it was looking really promising, but it turned out that they were super unreliable, so I don't need any more drama at this stage. I found another company, and it was confirmed by some people in the camper and the motorhome community here in Brazil that they are legit. They build campers and they can do any adaptations that might be needed in my car. So I drove 1,600 kilometers down south in the complete opposite direction of where we're planning to go, and so far it does seem like it was a very, very good decision. This is Diego, the owner of the company and the head engineer. He and his team seem to be just the right people to help us out of this mess. We've now taken off the broken camper. But here is something particularly important and encouraging. I'll explain why, and this could be very useful for any of you who want to maybe get a camper in the future and want to have this kind of nomadic lifestyle. To build any new camper takes time. And if the company that's building the camper is any good, there's probably a waiting list on top of that time. Here the waiting list is 5 to 6 months, which obviously doesn't work for me. My visa will run out, and what the hell am I gonna do during this time? How am I gonna work? But I've asked these guys if maybe they have a ready-made camper all ready for sale, and maybe this is where our luck is about to turn. It just so happens that a couple bought a camper from this company only a month ago, and then they realized that they need the money more for their business, so they want to sell this camper and then get another one down the line sometime. Of course, for me, this is freaking amazing. This camper is not like mine. It's actually a little bit better in some ways, a little worse than others, but overall, for our purposes, it's absolutely perfect. It's fine. If we can get it, I will continue my work, continue traveling. The dream lives on. I just hope not to jinx myself. The camper is currently in another city and the owners should be coming in a day or two. But it's supposed to be exactly like this one, which is still getting built for some lucky new owners. Now, the GoFundMe, it has been incredible, but the funds are not where I can just solve this problem right away. I'm selling some things, it seems, and I hope that I should be able to sell my broken camper for at least something, and I am just looking for any ways to quickly raise money. If you are hearing about this dilemma, this disaster of ours really for the first time, and you enjoy my work, and you'd like to keep seeing my work, then please consider helping out. It takes just a little bit from a few hundred of you watching, and everything may just fall into place within the next week or two. So this is where things are at the moment. Thank you so much for your time, and a huge, huge thank you to each and every one of you who has already helped out. I've come to realize that I have quite many very kind and empathetic people who follow my work, and at a moment of difficulty like this, I am so, so grateful. You can bet on that. So again, just thank you so, so much. On Thursday, I will be uploading a new video which now has historical value to our family because it is about adventures that we had thanks to our camper, and yeah, boy, were they some great adventures. The video is about when we first left Peru after the pandemic, and yeah, I know it's very delayed, but I really tried to make it feel more like a short travel film than just a regular vlog. So I really hope that you enjoy it. Until Thursday.